Hello everyone, this is Sing from SJHK. Welcome back. Today is the 17th of January, Wednesday, and we just experienced a slow storm yesterday night at BC. And you can see there snow on the floor. 今日呢條片咧係用英文嘅，就試下睇下我啲英文大家聽唔聽得明，同埋都嘗試下用英文講嘢。真係對人都唔係點講㗎啦，所以如果你聽唔明我啲英文咧，就開字幕啦，睇下面字幕啦。I just brought a ruler here. It's 20 centimeters ruler. Let's check it out. How thick is the snow? So this is the ground. It's barely 18 to 20 centimeters. But if you check out the bin, yeah, it's around 17. Yeah, 17 to 20 centimeters. So it's quite a healthy snow, but it falls like gently, so it's not like last week. When the last week where the weather was minus 10 to minus 15, the night before, we have a strong wind and also light snowfall. And today I'm going to use the snow shovel to clear the ground so we can have the road to walk by. Okay, let's do it. To clear the snow, so we need a pair of gloves to protect your hand from cold. And then here's the snow shovel. And the snowfall is getting heavy, so I'm still thinking if I should go out later. You know what? Never mind. I attached the camera on my arm, so I just test it out if I can film it clearly. So I got the shovel here. What I need to do is to how do we start? Like this. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if this is the correct way, but what I need is just a roll, so it should not be a problem. Yeah, there's some ice underneath. Maybe become harder to remove them. I guess I should set my camera angle higher, like this. Ooh, see? Ooh. Let's check. Yes. You can easily grab the snowball. Ooh. Like this. Okay, continue to work. We're almost done half row, which is faster than I expected. What we need is just a row to the front. Okay. Part 1 done. Okay, here we go again. Oh, very tired. I think I should remove the surface first. Then it uses less energy to remove from the bottom directly. Okay, we're almost to the gate. Like the gate I have tested a few minutes before, it cannot be opened because the snow has blocked the outside part. You can see this is a little shelter built from the snow. And returning back, you can see the road is basically clear, and we just have the stair to clear, and of course the outside, because you can see from here I cannot move because the snow blocked the way. Okay, let's find a way out here. I think I need to sneak out instead of clearing the snow here. Let's check if I can do it. Okay. Yeah, I can sneak out. Luckily, I'm not that fat after coming to Canada. So you can see the snow blocked the gate and we cannot open the gate. Actually, I see Marley a while ago on the snow, the cats, but it's gone. Ooh. Here. Oh. Oh. It's actually quite amazing that the superstore delivery guy actually came to my gate last night to deliver grocery for me, and you see it basically cannot park here now. Just 12 hours after. So yeah, it's actually a snowstorm, and not that stormy. It's just heavy. Still a long way to go, but we're almost there. Do you want to build a snowman? Okay, we are done with the outside road. There's an old saying in Chinese called 國家自掃門前雪. There's everyone just pull out the snow right outside of their garden or gate without messing with others. What we need to do next is clear the stairs so the upper floor can rock down safely. What we need to do, maybe just remove from the side to the sides. Oops, but I need to remove here again. That's not very sensible. How about we just pull the snow to the hole underneath? That's way smarter. Ooh. Oh. Actually, the roof actually helps. You can see there's no snow right in front of the door. but it only happens when it's not stormy. If it's windy or something else, it will actually accumulate outside the door as well. I'm actually sweating under 0 degrees Celsius. It may be warmer now, like 2 degrees Celsius, but yeah, it should be very cold if I experience 0 degrees Celsius in Hong Kong. But in Canada, it's actually quite warm. I'm actually used to that. So. Okay, we're done. So the very last thing is to remove the snow on top of our bin. Oof. It's actually cute, like some hats on the bin. But now we're gonna remove you all. Right, done. We have blue sky now. Basically, we complete the snow removal of my house, and I also help the upper floor to clear the stairs so they can walk down safely. Okay. Let's take a walk outside and see if we can find Molly, the cat. It's a bit slippery on the ground, but the condition is not very bad. I can still walk in a straight line without falling or unbalancing. In the car. This kind of ground condition is actually very common in other cities in Canada, but in BC it's like once a year or twice a year. So the road condition is really bad. If you are looking to Metro Vancouver, because the BC government has so little budget to work on snow. So let's check out the main road. I think the main road is fine because you can see the vehicles are moving in steady or fast speed. Okay. Yeah, I think salt is applied. So you can see the road is actually clear. Not bad. I think this is the car to remove snow, is it? I'm not sure. Oh yeah. Good job. This is the second main road from my house, and it's also pretty much clear. People are waiting for bus. I think bus operates regularly now without suspension. It's great. I think the snow removal job is doing great this time, unlike last year. It's actually my upper neighbor. She's going to work, and luckily I just cleared the snow for her. Otherwise, she cannot get out from the gate. Right. Okay, so this is the end of this snow removal video. If you love this video, please give me a like on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you around.